말이죠. 서서히 I'm on a journey, gonna reach new heights. Through every hardship, I will find a way. I won't give up, no, not today. Yeah, yeah. I see a future full of endless dreams. I'll break the chains, I'll burst the seams. I find the strength deep inside my soul and let it guide me, help me take control. Rise up, rise up.
Yun guys, tara atin pong kunan ng video yung gift sa amin guys ng aming boss. So lahat kami meron ito. Yan. Una-una, i-videohan na natin siya ng ganito at ipopost natin yung cellphone. Tapos bubuksan natin yung box. At ipi-play ulit natin siya guys. Yan yung aking pag-video, yung setup, paano mag-video. Kahit hindi siya gano'ng professional guys. Buksan ko ulit at kukunan ko yung tatak. Yan. Pause ko ulit guys at i-play ko ulit. Yan. Itututo ko sa nakasulat. Ganyan yung aking details sa pag-video. At ito naman, ganun din, kunan natin ng video, yung nakasulat sa paper. At ito naman yung leather na kung saan siya nabili guys. Yan. Kung saan siya brand. Yan, kinuna ko rin siya. At ito naman yung pinaka-main, yan yung heart na gift sa amin guys, na aming boss. So lahat kami meron ganito. Yan, isusum ko lang siya, ilalawit ko lang, ayan. At mamaya guys, makikita ninyo yung outcome na kinalabasan ng aking video. After this susunod na video guys ay nandun at kung paano siya presentable, step by step yan. Yun guys, patapos na ako. Ito na po yung pinaka-outcome. Here we go!
말이죠. 서서히 I'm on a journey, gonna reach new heights. Through every hardship, I will find a way. I won't give up, no, not today. Yeah, yeah. I see a future full of endless dreams. I'll break the chains, I'll burst the seams. I find the strength deep inside my soul and let it guide me, help me take control. Rise up, don't back down. With every step I'll wear the crown. Believe in yourself, let your light shine. It's time to conquer, this moment is mine. This moment conquer, this moment is mine.
Ayun guys, at ito na po yung aking video ngayon. So nakakatuwa at meron po kaming ganitong simple gift sa amin lahat. Nasaan na ba si Anime? Anime, nasaan ka na? Ayun, nandito ako guys. Salamat muli sa panonood ng video namin, ng aking talent. So ingat po palagi sa lahat. At support na po tayo sa mga video. Huwag po kalimutan mag-like at mag-subscribe po sa video ni Talent. Maraming salamat po.